Welcome to Rajasasila Holistics. Today I am using for this weekly tarot session Rider-Waite tarot cards, Atlantis card, and I am using crystals. Crystals also give very good messages. You need to know how to interpret it. As far as the law of attraction goes this week, I think you have practiced one thing. The first one I have told that you have to be optimistic to attract the law of attraction. Second thing, you have to think what you actually need. Third thing, you have to clear the space. That also I have told you. Now the actual, we will go into the law of attraction manifestation process. In this law of attraction manifestation process, you have to think that what you have got, need that you have already got. Yes, this is so simple that if you want to manifest money, then you should think that you have already got the money. And see, it's so simple. One of your friend or someone you trust most has promised you to give some money for some of your expenses, and you trust him that he is a person or she is a person if she gives a word, and it is. So in that case, when you have a financial crunch or something, that person promises you that I am giving you this money, so be without fear, that take care of all other works, I am there to support you. In that case, how much trust you put on that person, and you think that I was waiting for the money and I have got it. The only thing is, he said he will today get the money for me. So in that circumstances, how much trust you put? In the similar way, when you can trust a human being, why can't you trust the universe? It is given in the scriptures. You ask, it will be given. You knock, it will be opened. The similar way, the universe is ready to give you. It's up to you to take up it. Just have to believe it, that I am going to ask with full intention and I am going to get it. So with that confidence, whatever you want to manifest, just first you think that you have already got it and you will get it. This process of mind changing, of processing your mind, or little homework you do. So this week you do this. By next week I will tell you actually what you need to actually put on the words, how you put the words and how you manifest it. So let's quickly go into the session. So first I would like to tell you that I am a tarot reader, numerologist, Reiki master, healer and life coach. You can approach me for any personal problems of yours. I am also a golden Reiki healer. Golden healing is a highest range of healing which is new to people, but it is the zenith of healing. And also I am a member of 144 Golden Grid Conscious member. So golden healing becomes the highest range of healing, which helps to overcome with intentional healing. So rather than any symbols or any type of healing, I do intentional healing for quick remedies and all. So you can anytime contact me. So we will go into the session. Let's check the energies for Leos this week. If you have not subscribed our channel, kindly subscribe. You can follow us on Twitter and Instagram for card of the day daily. It is posted. The description box you have link. You can follow from that. For health this week you have got Queen of Wands. Very good. Career and business and finances, 10 of Wands. And relationship you have got 4 of Cups. And this time I am taking for suggestions, I am taking the crystal. You have got amethyst and Atlantis card I am taking. High Priest. So Queen of Wands in the health context says that you will be in good health, optimum health, you will enjoy, you will have lot of energy, your mind, body and soul will be very active. You can, if you are suffering from any health issues right now, you can overcome with ease, and you will find yourself very energetic this week. 90% positivity. And career, business and finances, 9 or 10 of Wands says that workload will grow, responsibilities will grow, you won't find time, you will get lot of work, lot of projects which will make you fatigued, lot of work will be there, you will work hard to accomplish your works, there will be lot of stress from your higher authorities. That's what this card says. We can give 40% positivity. In relationship, you have got 4 of Cups. This is not a very good card in relationship. It says that you or your partner, either of you are not in a good term. One of you are very much concerned about this relationship and they are working very hard towards a relationship, and one of you are rejecting other person because of fear or some mental aspect you have which makes you not very comfortable with the relationship. You have your own assumptions and limitations which you are putting forward and making your partner feel very unhappy. That's what this card says. This card says that you need to grab the opportunity. You will get an opportunity to mend your relationship. You have to overcome your lethargic behavior either mentally or physically to make this relationship work. That's what this card says. Only 30% positivity. And in Atlantis card you have got High Priest. This card says exercise your leadership qualities to take clear decisions and wise decisions. It is time for strong and selfless service. Lead with strength and wisdom. That's what this card says. This card says that there are some issues in your relationship and in your career, both of them, but you need to take wise decision to show a proper path for your own self. So you need to take the help of the universe for better wisdom and take proper decisions. That what this card says, that you should not take any foolish decision, you should be wise to take a correct decision. That what this card says. And amethyst coming in a reading suggests that you have to imply your higher chakras, that is your crown chakra or your bro chakra should be activated to give you perfect knowledge of the problem and do it with dispassionately. You do the work, because putting lot of your self assumptions can't give you clear path in your life. So put your brain rather than your brain, put your intuition to solve your problems. That's what amethyst says though. So use your intuition and take the spiritual help from the higher realms, guys. So if you like our channel, kindly like it, share it and subscribe it.